Alright, little progress video. This has been a while coming and I am a little bit excited, but I got my rear axle shafts back with the new bearings and the new seals. So unfortunately I didn't have a press big enough to put the new bearings on, so it took a while for the new bearings to come in. Went to my local Semco tractor dealer, did an outstanding job, got me the correct bearings at a really good price. I ordered the seals and they put them on for me with no problems. And all things going well, I might be able to drive it out of the shed very soon for the first time in over 18 months. All the gaskets are replaced, seals are replaced, bearings replaced. Just got to get the wheels on and we'll be in business. Now, before you put the wheels on, if you get to this stage, it's a really good opportunity to see how things are working. So again, make sure you're not in a confined space so you don't give yourself carbon monoxide poisoning. But if it's safe to do so, I'll suggest you start your tractor, and again be very careful because things are moving. Put it in first gear and just see how everything works. Now I tried that very quickly, not enough wind coming through my shed today, so I had to be very quick, and then I pulled up stumps and left my shed while the exhaust fumes left. But I have noticed that it appears this drum brake is a little too tight when the brake isn't engaged. I had really good movement over here on this one. This one took a bit to get going and was considerably slower. And that's a sign that the brake pads are engaged, or it's a little too tight in there. So I'll pull that off, adjust it, hopefully a bit more wind tomorrow, and then I'll see how things go. So also I'll put some more oil in it, good chance to check the hydraulic pump, also a couple of the other gaskets and seals that I've replaced when the machine's under pressure. Again, I much rather do that with the wheels off because it makes accessing things a lot easier than with the wheels on. So again, nice quick one. I'm pretty happy I've got my shafts back. They fit well, the bearings are nice. Very happy. I'm really looking forward to getting to the point where I can drive this out of the shed. Then it'll be wheels off again, clean everything up. But again, get it out of the shed, get it moving. Thoroughly looking forward to that. All right. Don't know if this will help anyone this time. This is more just an exciting moment for me, but a few tips there on taking advantage of having the wheels off. All right, enjoy.